How do you distinguish between different cell types for the GED? Imagine you're trying to identify different kinds of vehicles on the road. Some are cars, trucks, or motorcycles. The same idea applies to cells in living things. To tell them apart, you need to look at their structure and what they do. Cells are the building blocks of all life. There are two main types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are simple and small. They do not have a nucleus, which is like a control center for the cell. Instead, their genetic material floats freely inside the cell. These cells are found in bacteria and are usually less than 1 micrometer in size. Eukaryotic cells are more complex. They have a nucleus that holds the genetic material. These cells also have other parts called organelles that do specific jobs. Plants and animals are made of eukaryotic cells. To tell the difference between plant and animal cells, look for special features. Plant cells have a cell wall, which is like a sturdy outer shell. They also contain chloroplasts, which help make food through photosynthesis. Large vacuoles store water and nutrients. Animal cells do not have a cell wall or chloroplasts. They have smaller vacuoles and are more flexible in shape. Now, focus on the key parts inside the cells. The nucleus is like the brain, controlling everything. Mitochondria are the powerhouses, providing energy. Chloroplasts are only in plant cells and help turn sunlight into food. When answering GED questions, knowing these differences helps you identify what type of cell is being described. For example, if a question talks about a cell with chloroplasts and a cell wall, you know it is a plant cell. If it mentions a flexible shape and no chloroplasts, it is likely an animal cell. Understanding the roles of these parts makes it easier to distinguish between cell types. Remember, the size, structure, and function of organelles are your clues. By focusing on these details, you can confidently tell apart different cells and answer questions correctly. This knowledge is essential for the life science section of the GED. Keep practicing by comparing descriptions and identifying the cell types based on their features. The more you practice, the quicker you'll recognize the differences during the test.